Our story begins not in a peaceful farmyard, but 40 million years ago, on the wild plains of North America and Eurasia. Here, entelodonts, colossal beasts known as hell pigs, ruled with brute force. Though not true pigs, these distant cousins were the size of bison, with massive jaws and bone-crushing teeth. They were apex predators and fierce scavengers, their skulls scarred from brutal battles. Their hulking forms thundered across the land, a symbol of raw, untamed power. Bony flanges on their jaws gave them a monstrous look, while their high-set eyes scanned for prey and rivals. For nearly 20 million years, entelodonts dominated, shaping their world through sheer might. Though they vanished, their legacy echoes in the lineage of all swine. The hell pigs were the first chapter, a bold experiment in power and survival. Their story is the foundation upon which the saga of the pig is built. As the hell pigs faded, a new survivor emerged. The wild boar Sus scrofa. Smaller, faster and cunning, the boar thrived in forests and marshlands worldwide. Its bristly coat protected it from cold and thorns, while razor-sharp tusks served as both weapons and tools. Omnivorous and adaptable, the boar could run, swim and sniff out food with remarkable skill. Its intelligence and endurance made it a keystone species, shaping the very forests it roamed. From Europe to Asia, the wild boar became a symbol of untamed strength. Its rooting aerated soil and dispersed seeds, benefiting entire ecosystems. This resilient animal would soon cross paths with a new force humanity. A transformative chapter in the pig's journey was about to begin. The end of the Ice Age brought humans and wild boars together in a new alliance. As humans settled and farmed, wild boars lingered near their camps, drawn by food scraps. Over generations, humans favoured the more docile boars, gradually shaping them through selective breeding. This partnership offered humans a steady source of meat and fat, while pigs gained protection and food. Pigs proved efficient at turning scraps into valuable protein, fueling the growth of early civilizations. For boars, life near humans meant safety from predators and a reliable food supply. The wild boar's independence softened, replaced by a new mutual relationship. This was not mere domestication, but a slow, symbiotic dance. The wild heart of the boar was tempered, not extinguished. A new creature was emerging, one destined to walk alongside humanity. The transformation from wild boar to domestic pig was profound and global. Under human care, pigs' snouts shortened, coats softened and tusks shrank, while their bodies grew larger. Domestication happened independently in places like Anatolia and China, creating a diversity of breeds. Pigs became more than food. They cleared land, fertilized soil, and helped farms thrive. Their adaptability made them indispensable partners in agriculture and exploration. Pigs traveled with humans across continents, thriving in nearly every climate. The wild boar's resilience was now fueling the spread of civilization. Pigs are far from simple creatures. Their intelligence rivals that of dogs and some primates. They solve problems, remember individuals, and can even play basic video games. Socially, pigs form complex groups, communicate with a range of vocalizations, and build strong bonds. Their emotional lives are rich. Sows protect their piglets, and piglets recognize their mother's voice within hours. Pigs experience joy, fear, and empathy, revealing a depth often overlooked. Their curiosity and adaptability are direct inheritances from their wild ancestors. A pig's sensitive snout explores the world, always learning and adapting. Escaped pigs quickly revert to wild behaviors, showcasing their resourcefulness. The pig's mind is a testament to the sophisticated animal behind the familiar snout. The image of a pig wallowing in mud is iconic, but it's not about dirt, it's survival. Without sweat glands, pigs use mud to cool down and prevent heat stroke. Mud also acts as sunblock, protecting their sensitive skin from burns. As it dries, mud removes parasites, serving as natural self-grooming. Wallowing is social and pleasurable, a source of comfort and bonding. Denying pigs this behavior harms their well-being. It's as vital as eating or sleeping. This instinct connects domestic pigs to their wild ancestors who wallowed for millions of years. When a pig splashes in mud, it's performing an ancient ritual of self-care. The wisdom of the wallow is a living link to the pig's wild heritage. Pigs and humans share remarkable biological similarities. Their organs, hearts, kidneys, livers are so alike that pigs are vital in medical research and surgery. Pig heart valves are routinely transplanted into humans, and their anatomy aids in developing new treatments. Our shared omnivorous diet makes pigs excellent models for studying nutrition and disease. Pig skin closely resembles human skin, making it invaluable for dermatological research. These connections go beyond food. Pigs are partners in our quest for health and knowledge. The pig story is a humbling reminder of our shared evolutionary threads. From ancient farms to modern labs, pigs continue to shape and save human lives. On a sunlit Bahamian quay, a unique chapter unfolds: the swimming pigs of Exuma. These pigs paddle through turquoise waters, greeting tourists and seeking treats. Their origins are mysterious, perhaps left by sailors, survivors of a shipwreck, or relocated by locals. Pigs are natural swimmers, a skill inherited from wild ancestors who crossed rivers for survival. In Exuma, swimming became routine, blending instinct with opportunity. These pigs have adapted to a life of sun, sand and sea, charming visitors worldwide. Their story is a testament to animal intelligence and adaptability. Even in the modern world, pigs surprise us with new behaviors and unexpected wonders. From hell pigs to swimming pigs, the journey of the pig is epic and intertwined with our own. Pigs have fed us, fertilized our fields, and traveled the world at our side. Their legacy is ongoing. Today, they remain a crucial source of food for billions. In labs, their biology helps us fight disease and understand ourselves. The pig's intelligence and emotional depth challenge us to reconsider our relationship with them. Our ancient pact with pigs continues to evolve, shaped by our choices and compassion. The next time you see a pig, remember its incredible odyssey. This is no ordinary animal. It's the descendant of giants, a builder of civilizations, and a partner in survival. The pig's story is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Its enduring legacy is written across the landscape of our shared planet.